study again. We're going to, Mommy's going to give me a flashcard. He will show me a flashcard. And I will write it here. And then I will match the same number. And I will put it back. And Mommy will give me another flashcard. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 4. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. 10. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 9, 10. 7. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2. 1 and 2. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Is it 10? So like, come on, it's 11. 11, 12. 13. 14. 15. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That's all for today. That's all our assignments. And please subscribe. Watching.